In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to determine the surface area of a cylinder. So I just need a place to work. So I'm just going to work down here, and I'm going to show you how to determine the surface area of a cylinder. So let's say that I have a cylinder. There's the top, there's the side, there's the bottom. The radius of this cylinder is going to be something easy. It's going to be 10 centimeters. And the height from here to here is going to be 20 centimeters. Now let's make it, it's got to be 40 centimeters. Okay, now a cylinder gets broken down into three parts, right? There's the top circle and the bottom circle. So the top circle looks like this, 10 centimeters. I can barely see that, but it's 10 centimeters. So to figure out, now there's two of these, so we times it by 2. So area of a circle is equal to pi r squared, and then we times it by 2 since there's 2 of them. Pi times 10 squared times 2. Now 10 squared is 100. 100 times 2 is 200, so it's 200 times pi. Now I'm just leaving it at that because I don't have a calculator. Now, this part here, the edge, it unrolls into a rectangle. The edge unrolls into a rectangle. And that rectangle is 40 centimeters this way. It's 40 centimeters tall. But how long is this edge? Well, this edge wraps itself around this circle. So the length of this edge is the circumference of this circle. So to figure out the circumference of the circle, I do circumference is equal to 2 times pi times r. Circumference is equal to 2 times pi times 10. The circumference is equal to 20 times pi. Now I'm just leaving it as 20 pi right now because I don't want to have to deal with it. Now the area of this, the area is equal to its length times its width. Its length is 20 times pi, and its width is times 40. So the area is equal to 40 times 20 is 800 times pi. So the area of the, we call it the, I forget the proper name for it, this wraparound face. So this wraparound face, the area of this is 800 pi centimeters squared. The area of the top and the bottom is 200 pi centimeters squared. So the total area for this will be 200 pi plus 800 pi. The area total is equal to 1,000 times pi, and that'll be centimeters squared. Now 1,000 times pi is approximately, it's 3.141, so 3,141.9 centimeters squared. So that's how you figure out the area, the surface area of a cylinder. The top and the bottom, use pi r squared, times it by 2. Then the lateral area is what it's called. You figure out the length with 2 times pi times r, and then use the height. This is called the lateral surface area. Add them up. There you have it. That's how you figure out the surface area of a cylinder. So when you're doing the basics questions and you want to figure out the